successfully built about 20 dropshipping businesses from using Shopify, TikTok Shop. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. The first thing I do before acting anything, the process I follow, and the exact tool I use. And this is the tool that I use, Pipiads. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I do. The first thing you do is obviously you need to register with Pipiads. To register, first thing to do is click on the first link on the description of this video and then register. When you register using that link, you get 20% discount using the coupon that shows on the screen right now. So let's jump on, assuming you have registered and you've signed up. You simply come on here. This is what I do. I go on top store. You click on top store, you'll be taken here. All right. This is where you come after clicking on top store. What are you doing? You're trying to look for stores that are doing very well and see what they do. Just simply mirror it. So we're spying, basically. Spying what others are doing. And no need to reinvent the wheels, guys. Just do the same thing. You're good. This is what we do. You come on here, you click on TikTok here, like I've done here. Or Facebook, which is still in the beta phase, but they also have Facebook. When you click on that, you see several accounts here. Now, we're spying into companies who spend millions of dollars, all right, running ads for their products. And if a company is spending millions of dollars, it means that that product is usually doing well because the budget is big and the budget has been running for some time. So you see here, this one here, you see you have 1.6 million impressions, guys. You have 4 million impressions. You have 4.1 million impressions, all right? And see the ad cost. They have $8,000 to about $2,000, okay? But this is what I want us to do. Check out this first one up here. When you click on this, open a new tab, it brings you here, okay? Now, this is that website, www.shame.com, okay? Now, for example, let's assume that we don't know what these guys are about. We're just trying to see, the top store. Remember, we're checking from the store so that we just mirror the store, okay? We just do almost, not exactly, but I mean, just copy basically what they are doing or follow the blueprints or follow their style, right? So you come on here, you see this is the data they have. Now, this is TikTok is for red and Facebook is for blue, okay? And this is the percentage, all right? And this is the ads, okay? But this is what I want you to pay attention to. So far, only on TikTok, guys, only on TikTok, they have 2.3 billion impressions. Don't worry, I will show you other things you need to know, but just pay attention. Now they have about 4 million likes for this particular, this store we're checking out now. And number of ads, they have 1.8 thousand. And the ad cost, this is what I want to see. Only on TikTok, their ad cost is 7.2 million. 7.2 to 17.3 million dollars. That's insane, guys. All right. And when did they start? They started as far back as 2021. And in 2025, July, they are still on. All right. So let's scroll down a bit and see more data. You come here, you see the platform they are on. They have impressions on TikTok, not really on, don't have data on for Facebook. And they have the likes. These are the likes. But this is what I want to see. What we simply need to do is click on the website, go check it out. If something you can mirror, something you can adapt, you can use, then by all means go ahead. The next one, we'll just try to check another website, another platform. And this is Scoffers. Scoffers, they spent about 635 million. They have 635 million impressions on TikTok, and they spent almost $900,000 to $3.3 million. All right, for ads, and the ads is just running for like a year. They're running ads from like January 2024 to 2025. Okay, this is a very beautiful way to have an insight on what they do. If you go on their website, which is here, you see they have several things lined out. So they're into clothing and urban wares and whatnot. So what usually would do, or what I usually do, I come down in the contact session and send a message to them and say, hey, I feel like doing business with you guys. Are you open to drop shippers? The reason why I think this is good is that they're running ads, spend a lot of money on ads. So it means that they're going to start selling product that is a bit popular. They're not selling product that nobody knows. This brand, they're spending a lot of money trying to promote this brand, this Scoffers brand. So it means that when you start selling or promoting this brand, you will get a lot of good attraction, because when somebody sees it on your page or whatever, they know it's not a new product and they might likely buy from you. So let's check another one. This business here, this bettergenbeauty.com. See how many impressions they have. They have 23 million impressions, and they spend ad cost is 65,000 to 215,000. All right, and they are more on the TikTok side of things and less of Facebook. Okay, so let's go on the website. You can go on the website, check them out. Depending on where you are and depending on how the website is structured, it might not have access to some websites depending on your location. But some of these guys they build the websites, trying to target or stay away from some region. Let's say, for example, I have a drop shipping business, and I know I really cannot cover the whole of. I only operate in America or only operate in the UK. It means that if you try to access my website from another country, you won't have access to it. Okay, so just have that in the back of your mind. If the website does not open for you, just know that maybe the owner of this business has I don't want to use the word blacklist, but I think I'm going to use it as blacklisted your IP. So your IP will not, display their business. But if I come on here, we have access to this. And this is a typical drop shipping Shopify store, guys. Drop Shopify. This is it. You don't even need to be told. Okay. Now these guys, see how much money they have been spending on ads. This shows you that they are doing something right. Okay. Click on their shop. Let's see on their shop what they have on their shop. This is what they have on the shop. Self for the tool, self tanning. So you can tan. You don't have to be under the sun. I think this product makes a lot of sense. These are kind of product, guys, that you should start looking into. Okay, especially when it's away from the summer. Okay, during winter you could start selling because a lot of people are not going to go out during the winter period. They're going to be in their indoors, meaning you can tan. You could use this and tan those areas. You want to look baked. Okay, and this is a very beautiful business model. You could simply come in here and just drop ship from them, or you just go on a website like Alibaba, all right, or some other websites I will show you later on, and search for a tanning product. Now this is already branded as Petjane, all right? Petjane, I think that's okay. Petjane. Let's go on Alibaba, AliExpress, or Alibaba. Let's do AliExpress, okay, and check for any tanning product. Just click on there. All right, we're gonna open. Just click on tanning or self tan, tanning, self tanning. Use gloves or self tanning. Just check self tanning and see if we can see. So you see there's several things here for self tanning. Okay, so you can go back to that product and check. Is it like a lotion? Crafted with natural whatever stunning. Okay, so I think it's a lotion. It's a lotion. Yeah, it's a lotion. All right, so just go back and just see there's several of them here. All right, and we could white label any of this, all of this self tan. Okay, you could take this and then rename it. I mean, have like a white label where putting the produce in your brand. Let's say, for example, that brand is Petjane. Yours can be top name or topping. Let me use that word for example. Topping, that might be the name of your business. You could reach out to any of these manufacturers and tell them to produce one for you with that topping on it. All right. So instead of Petjane on that, this would be carry topping. Okay. Let's see if we could just do white label and see if we can get white label. So usually would not to bring notes for them to for you, and it's very possible. So if you click on any of this, you can simply just chat them up and tell them this way. So let's click on this one. You simply come on here, look for the seller, and then tell the seller that you're trying to if it's possible. Doing it on AliExpress is not as easy compared to Alibaba. Alibaba, they are the ones who have the main manufacturer do this for you, and then you are able to go sell it off. Or you can simply, if you don't go through that headache and you're in America, you can simply reach out to Petjane and say, hey, Petjane, I want to start dropshipping from you. What do you think? And I can assure you the answer will most likely be a yes, because they're in business to make business. Okay. To click on contact, you'll put in your information here. And you see how far these guys have gone. I'm sure these are photo shoots they've done. See, wholesale and distributor. If you like to become a wholesaler or a distributor of Petagen, award-winning self-tanning product, please fill out the form below. So you click on this, see that what you want. You have other questions to ask. Those are the questions. You could check them out here. Does this mist stain clothes? Recommend putting the towel down on the floor when you spray to avoid it getting on clothes. Wait a couple of minutes to dry, then get dressed. No sweat, no exercising, sweating, or waste or water of any kind for 6 to 8 hours. Okay. So this is just for this product, guys. I'm just showing you how you could spy on a particular product and build your business around this. If you send a message to Petagen and Petagen says, okay, let's work together, you could simply just replicate what this person is doing. Just come in, look at what they're having, take their they probably will send you some images, and you can do almost the same thing that they're doing and make money from it. Now, things like this, in my opinion, will not really sell very well during the summer because people can come out in summer, go to the beach and tan. But times like winter, where people really want to look tanned, I don't want to look very baked, then this is a very good product to sell. But summer or no summer, this is an evergreen product to sell, in my opinion. Once, if you're able to answer some of the questions, if people that people might have, like questions like health issues, any side effects, product situation suitable for sensitive skin, something like this. Yes, however, if you have any specific concerns, we always recommend speaking to your doctor before applying any new product. So it's on the skin, so of course it's going to be sensitive to sensitive skin. All right. But this is how you do it. We'll go back again and see how much you guys have spent. We spent 65 about $5,000 for the ad, and they've run the ad since April 2023 to April 2025. Their budget is not the biggest, but they're doing very well. You could see. This is how you use the top store. There are several of them here. You come into, if you check this classy football jersey, all right, classic football jersey, you could pick a product here. The spent ad cost is this. Impressions is about 130 million impressions. Um, okay. So you click on the website. If it allows you to open, you open up. Okay, and this is what they have going on. Okay, this is it. So you go back here. This is their website. This is a Shopify website. I know them once I see them. All right, I'm showing you later on how you could spot a Shopify website. Okay, all right, but this is a Shopify website. You don't even need to think too much. You see how much Shopify website are making? Like they're making a whole lot of money, and these are funds that you could start making almost immediately. You see that jerseys are they're working. Okay, then you could do the same thing, mirror exactly what they're doing. Right? You could come here, also contact them and tell them, oh, I want to work with you, I want to dropship with you, and maybe they might be open to business. I mean, talking to you. So if you click on products, let's click on products, all right, see there's any data here for us. Okay, so for now, there's no data for this particular store, all right. So this is helping us just to have an idea on what to start, I mean, drop shipping, what to start investing our time into. Like I said in one of my videos, when you're drop shipping, you're looking for products that can hit the ground running for you. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Spy what other people are doing. Save yourself time and money. All right. And save yourself time and money is having a tool like this, like Pipiads, that helps you seamlessly pick a product and run with it. Again, if you want to sign up, you could simply use the link on the description. First link is in the description, and click on there. You get a 20% discount on it, and use the coupon that appears on your screen now. That will give you access to a 20% discount. Just because you came through me. All right. So this is a very beautiful tool that I think you can start using. And subscribe to the channel. I'll be showing you more ways to use this. But in the next video, I'm going to show you the price structure of this tool, so you see how it works and see what works and see how cost effective it is. I think it makes a lot of sense to have as a tool. All right, because it helps you solve a lot of puzzle, a lot of questions you might have in your head. Who's the audience? Where are they? What's the product? What's the ad like? All those questions, this tool will help you solve all those questions before you jump into building a store or even establishing a brand for the dropshipping business.